Howdy, JG Certified here, and welcome to another 150 levels of Spooky's House of Jumpscares, because I have the hiccups and something needs to fix them. Are you excited? Because I'm excited to get the crap scared out of me. Anyway, let's go. Back to the elevator. Okay. We go down. What a cute little kitty. Oh, someone needs to oil the elevator. Yeah, I've read that. Oh yeah, you can't jump. I wanted to jump back and forth. Right, so 150 rooms. This can't be that difficult. Let's go. Goo. Okay. Hello, Goo. Oh, a note. Spouting, splashing, soaking, innards ingest, invoking, nailing never stops the choking. Okay, what the? Uh-oh. Run, 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 run. Gonna die, 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 gonna die. Gonna die, 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 gonna die. Run! I ran out of run. No! I could hear it! That's not good. Keep running. Keep running. Oh, god damn it. Nope, don't have time for you, Spidey. Gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run. Go. Gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run. Keep running. Keep running. Run faster. Run. Keep running. Keep running. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can hear it. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't look. Don't look. Don't anything. Just run. Damn the goo. Go. Keep going. 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 Keep going, keep going. Okay. I can't hear that thing anymore. I think I'm okay. I'm in this room again. It's almost like going through the same rooms over and over and over. Room 85. Is that okay? Not that way. Okay. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Yep. Straight, right, something. Straight. Right. Straight. 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 Right. Straight. I've already done straight, left. Yeah! Ooh. Mall of the Spooky. Oh, I can play it. Ah. Yeah! Woo! Oh, I like this. I think I'm getting good now. Oh, this is so violent. Apparently Spooky is not a nice person. Okay, enough game playing. See, the other one's broken. We shall continue on our way. Oh, it's one of those loopy around ones again. Whee! Puncher. Puncher. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. He's back. Run, 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 run. Please be a lift room. Ah, it's a lift room. I don't know how much longer I can go on. I haven't seen any of my previous notes, so that means either I'm getting somewhere or someone is taking them. Well, at least he stopped drinking the wine. Right, I need to fix my chair. 100 more rooms to go. There's $1,000. That's a lot of rooms. I wouldn't want to try doing it all in one shot. Might go insane. That's probably how Spooky ended up so nuts. She did the 1,000 rooms in one shot. Oh, new decor. That's nice. What happened to all the old brickwork? Oh, another one of these. Yes, the room to jump ratio is very small, which makes it significantly worse when it does happen, because you never know whether to expect it or not, and then you think, oh no, it's never going to happen, and then what? Okay. Some random ambience happening. Anyone got any raid? Whoa, what the? Okay then. Oh, even the doors have new sounds now. There's a note here. Subject 5 is growing more and more restless. I told Spook we need more funds for sedatives, but she just laughed and flew into the ceiling. Without more chemicals to keep these things docile, I'm not sure how much longer we can keep them here safely. Generic lab assistant. Card key picked up. Well, that's a little bit more game-like. You mean I actually have to pick a different door now? Okay, I'll take this door. Nope, it's locked. Oh, another note. Hooray! What's this note say? I believe Subject 5 is loose. The glass around its container is shattered and I can faintly hear clicking coming from the ceiling. I don't know what will happen now. If it is out and alive, then this is probably my last report. The clicking is getting louder now. Generic lab assistant. What? Oh. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good at all. I need to run. I need to run faster. There's a hole in the roof. I can't stop to smell the roses. I think I'm gonna die. Gonna die. Gonna die. Oh, there's holes everywhere. Oh. Gonna die, gonna die, gonna die, gonna die, gonna die. Gonna die, gonna die. Run away, run away, run away, way, way, run away, run away, run away, way, way, run away, run away, run away, way, way. It's time to run really fast. It's just generic background sound right now. I think it does. Yep. So much for that theory. I play a terrible game of Five Nights at Freddy's. And 150. Keep a little pep in your step. Live on that stuff. I think this is my last note. I'm going to die having never found my escape, but really that's not true. This place was like my escape from everything else. In the end, my eyes back into the romance. He had to get into the romance. Okay, 50 more rooms. Just 50. Just 50. How bad could it possibly be? The decor changed again. Ooh, green. Green with yellow bits. Okay. I have a torch. Locked. Oh, that one was... okay. Spook School. Okie dokie then. This is different. I was just in that one. I have a shadow. No, shit. Run away, run away, run away. That wasn't my shadow. That wasn't mine. I'm not exploring anymore. Oh, shit. Oh, that's not good. And I'm all out of run. Ah, crap. I'm dead. I'm dead. I am so dead. No. No. Ow. I'm back. Run. 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 Don't stop. Don't stop. Gonna die. God damn it. Why did I have to go exploring? Okay. I don't have the hiccups anymore. Fix my hiccups. She's still chasing me. I'm gonna die because I've got no run. Go away. Go away, I don't like you. 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 No, I'm not coming here. Go away, I'm gonna die. Oh god, they're really coming on now. Okie dokie. Oh, no note. Oh, right, you're the note writer. I think you died. Anyway, there was 150 more levels of Spooky House of Jumpscares. I'm now good for the time being with this game. I've got a couple of others I want to try, and I have no hiccups. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in Friday's video.